What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're ever wondering what I use to draw or record my videos, I'm going to take you through my entire drawing and YouTube setup. Now look, I'm still pretty new to the whole YouTube scene, so I don't have the most baller setup, but what I do have works for me, works for where I am in my YouTube art journey right now. But before we get to that, leave a thumbs up on this video. It helps my video get seen by more people, and hopefully someday it'll help me improve my setup. Anyway, I'm going to take you through my camera setup, my drawing supplies, my desk and computer setup, and also the software that I use to edit my videos. Alright, so let's get into it guys. First up, it's my camera setup. I'm not using anything crazy. I have a small tripod that I bought off Amazon, and I have my phone connected to it. I have the iPhone XS Max, so it's not even the newest iPhone that's out right now, but it still records pretty good video. It gets the job done for me. So I just connect it to a tripod. I hook up this lav mic that I have right here for better sound quality. And I also have a ring light. I live in a studio apartment, so I don't get that much light except from natural lighting. So I got a ring light just in case. I also have a overhead camera mount so I can shoot my top downs when I'm drawing, either on my tablet or in the sketchbook and stuff like that. So I use that. I connect my phone to that as well, and shoot my top downs that way. And that's pretty much everything that I use as far as recording my stuff. We'll get into some other softwares and things like that later, but as for my camera setup, that's pretty much all I use. My iPhone, I have two different tripods, one that has the ring light connected to it, as well as a overhead camera mount, which usually connects right here on this desk so I can shoot my top downs. As for the art supplies, we kind of went over this in one of my previous videos. Pretty basic stuff. I have Prismacolor Pencils, which I like to use a lot when I'm coloring. I also have these Ohuhu markers that you can get from Amazon. They're just alcohol-based markers, and I like to use those a lot as well. I got this pack of gray Artist Loft markers. They're okay. I got them from Michael's, but I needed some extra gray, so I decided to pick them up. They were cheap. My sketch pads and stuff, if I'm not doing digital, it's pretty much on something like this. Strathmore is a really good brand to draw with. So it's either like the Tone Tan, or we got the Bristol, and also the mixed media paper as well. But other than colored pencils, the paper and the alcohol markers, it's pretty much what I use to draw with at this point in time. So for digital art, I have the XP Pen 15.6 Pro. Love it, absolutely love it. You just connect it up to your computer and you set it up as it's pretty much an alternate monitor, but you can draw on it. So really fun to use, but that's what I use to do digital art. As for the desk and computer setup, I got this L-shaped desk. I connected some LED lights around the back of it, and I draw right here. The camera mount usually connects right here, and then I shoot my top downs from here. And along this way, I have my these are actually my day job computers, my work computers. So they are not mine, but they are what I use all the time anyway. So I have an iMac, and I also have an alternate monitor over here for my day job stuff. But I pretty much do all my editing, all my design work, all my art through these computers. And the software that I use, I have the Adobe Creative Suite through my job, but they only allow us to use Photoshop and Illustrator. So I only have access to those two programs, so I can't use Premiere Pro or anything like that to edit my videos. So what I use for video editing is this program called Wondershare Filmora 9. There's like a free version, like it's free to download, but you have to pay to save stuff out, I believe. But you know, when we got those stimmies, I dropped it was like 60 bucks for the software, and that's what I use to edit my videos. As for recording my digital process, I usually use OBS for that, and that's pretty easy, free download, pretty easy setup, quick and easy to learn. So also I like to keep little figurines and things near my desk that inspire me, things that I like. They just keep me motivated and inspired to, you know, work hard and just keep doing my art. So, but that is pretty much my setup. It's not a whole lot. I don't use anything super crazy. It's pretty much everything that I've already had. I threw a couple bucks towards, you know, the desk and, you know, drawing supplies and stuff like that. But other than that, that's pretty much all I use right now. So I thought I'd share this stuff with you guys just in case, you know, you're thinking about starting your journey and you wanted to know where you start. Well, this is where I've started. This is what I currently use, and this is what I see myself using for the foreseeable future anyway. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of my setup. If you have any questions about software or anything else that I use, you know, drop it in the comments below. I'll try to link some of this stuff if I can find the links to them, but other than that, I'll catch you guys later.